If you're experiencing issues on your ChatGPT account, just keep on watching because we prepared some steps which you can try to fix the problem. When you open and use ChatGPT on your laptop, it is common for you to experience some problems, especially if your ChatGPT is not pro. This is because of the application's inherent limitations, and sometimes there are a lot of users currently using the website or the application. When this happens, what you can do is first go to ChatGPT's website by searching ChatGPT OpenAI latest news. When you scroll down, you'll see OpenAI's website, and here you can see latest updates or news regarding the website or application, which might include updates or some issues. You can also see here different information such as research, product, developers, safety, company, and many more. Next, make sure that you are connected to a reliable and fast internet connection, and you can also try shifting or using other networks. To check the speed and stability of your internet connection, you can search for speed test on your website browser and just wait for a few minutes for the results to load. Once you've confirmed that the internet connection is stable, you can try transferring to another website browser. In my case, I used Google Chrome and checked if ChatGPT will work perfectly using this specific website browser. And for the last step or solution you can try, check the extensions available on your website browser and see if there are any extensions that might disable your ChatGPT from working. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.